Okay, let's go.
My next plan is to finish the Z4. I need to wash it, polish it, and I need to paint the front bumper and clean it, as I need to make space for my next project. This will be the first time when I'll bring the car inside and I'll have space to work around it. Look how amazing this car looks under these lights. Unbelievable. And I can literally walk around. It's not perfect, but plenty of space to work on it. Right, so the next step is to polish the car. I never done it, so don't judge me. We have few scratch marks on the hood, as you can see, some here, some here, here. Someone tried to do something, and on top of that we have this ugly corner up till here. So my plan is to take that line, do it there, all the way down, another one here and another one here, and I'll put the blue and I think it's black for M Sport. Yeah, that's the plan. A bit tacky, but when it's dry I'll polish it again and it might look good. And now I'll start dealing with this ugly corner. It's not like something permanent, but I want the car to be visually pleasant instead of with the scratches, and I want to make it a bit more appealing with these two blue stripes. I'm not gonna go mad, so I'll seal the hood and the rest of the bits and literally wrap it down, fill any holes or gaps and paint it. Right, let's do it. Right, so I left the primer to dry for a few hours, and I just find that I still have few spots. This area that needs to be rubbed down. It's not that good here, and I have this scratch, so I'll do some filler, cover this one, and I think I can live with this and with this, but I will try another rub down, a quick rub down. Okay, so the primer is dried. I think now I'll start painting, adding the paint. I'll show you. So this looks decent for a non-painter. We'll see how this will look like. I'll start and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. So I finished painting. The car's been sitting for a few good hours, and now I need to cut all the protection where I need to go with the lacquer over the existing paint. It's looking good. It's a bit crazy, I think, but I like it. So tell me your opinion. I'll show you and you can tell me if you like it or not. Crazy. So yeah, I'll do that now. So I'll take all this section out and this section out, and I think that's there, and I'll clean it and I'll add the lacquer from this side all over it, but I need to blend the new one into the old one. The old paint is not as good as it's supposed to be, but the problem is I couldn't find the right color. So being in a rush, it crossed my mind to make this craziness. We'll see how it looks when I'll take the car out. So wish me luck. So the upgrade is finished. I'm really pleased with it. Hopefully you're gonna like it. It needs another polish. I think I'll do it tomorrow, but for the moment it's done. Tomorrow I'll change the oil, and then I'll take the car out and I'll make some pictures and I'll film it so you can see it. But let me show you the final product. It looks amazing through my eyes. So hopefully you like it.
Okay, let's go.